Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove status from WhatsApp. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be for you to simply access your WhatsApp app in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna look like right. Afterwards, simply gonna go ahead and tap on this updates option over here. Here in this section you can see the status bar right over there, right? If you tap on this plus icon, you can simply go ahead and share yourself a status. Let's say we did it. This is it. We tap on this share. Now our status is shared, right? If you want to remove it or delete it, we're gonna go ahead, tap on it again, and tap on this three dot icon given beside it, and tap on this delete option just right over here. Again, confirm it, and now that particular status from our story is now removed. It will ask us for to create new and upload a new one. So this is a very simple way for you to do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.